how to change the VoiceOver speech voice on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on VoiceOver. Now from here, we go down and tap on Speech. Then at the top in the primary voice section, tap on Samantha or the name of the person. In there, you can change voice, so tap on Voice. And then from here, you can choose a voice file. So here we have Allison Enhance. So I will press on the volume up key so I can
American English voice.
So I can hear the sound.
Hello, my name is Allison. I am an American English voice.
So if you would like to use Allison's advanced voice, you can tap on the download button. This will take up around 37 or 38 megabytes of storage space on your device. So after that, you can go back to voice and choose. So we select Allison as a voice. So here, Allison voice, you can tap on the play button to have a listen.
Hello, my name is Allison. Hello, my name is Allison.
You can also customize your voice settings by changing the rate.
Hello, my name is Allison. Hello, my name is Allison. Hello, my name is Allison.
Changing the pitch.
Hello, my name. Hello, my. Hello, my. Hello, my name is Allison.
And here's the
Hello,
volume.
my name is Allison.
Timbre, sentence pose, audio effects. So we can go to equalizer and change the audio effects. You can also tap on the reset button.
Hello, my name is Allison.
And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.